Learning music has never been easier. From early learning years through to university level, Mastering Music Online has easy, self-paced lessons that teach all aspects of music. No prior musical knowledge is required to use these lessons. Musical information is presented followed by exercises that provide immediate feedback to ensure a level of understanding has been achieved. The subsequent assessments then capture the depth of knowledge learned. As well as theory and ear training lessons, Mastering Music Online is unique in providing lessons that teach about the creative side of music, using the inbuilt sequencer for activities such as writing drum grooves, selecting instruments, and arranging and mixing songs. Performing lessons include songs with full accompaniments, and Mastering Music Online also allows you to drop in songs and slow the tempo as you learn the song on your instrument. This sequencer, in standalone mode, includes the ability to compose your own songs with a full range of instruments and the supplied drum loops. Compose the way you want to, using the inbuilt virtual keyboard or in real time from an external keyboard. Use the keyboard drum notation, mixdown and tempo editors to finalize your songs for release, and publishing including parts and full conductor scores, and even dropping in YouTube videos for film scoring. All lessons are grouped by year level for quick and easy access, and the song lessons plus your own compositions can be easily accessed from the My Lesson Files page, with all the results accessed from the My Results page, making Mastering Music Online the most complete music package available today. The family registration of Mastering Music Online provides 4 family members the opportunity to learn and make music. Registration is easy using your Google or Microsoft account, with all work stored in the cloud on your Google or OneDrive, providing easy access anywhere, at any time, with privacy and security. Mastering Music Online, as its name implies, works in your web browser on all devices with nothing to install. It is ready for immediate use after registration. Whether you're an individual who wants to learn music, or a parent who wants to help their children succeed, Mastering Music Online is for you. Register today to get started on this rewarding musical journey.